right, just want to give everybody a quick little update. What's going on with the bees today? Man, we've had some pretty rough weather around here. We've had some 20, 24 degree nights, lots of rain, just everything is just saturated and wet. Mixed with a bunch of hot, sunny days. We're getting them all kind of mixed together. Got dandelion is blooming right now. Got all kinds of pollen being piled in there right now. So just wanted to come check on them, give you all a little update what's going on. They're busy. You can see them swarming in there now. They're out gathering lots and lots of pollen and stuff right now on a semi-warm day. I guess it's about 46 right now. So a quick little update. A couple people have asked me what I'm rocking here, and I've done the super down here, the deep box. Now I left I pulled no honey off the frame, off these boxes this year. So we have two mediums that I left completely full of honey for them for the winter storage. They had absolutely plenty of storage. Didn't do any splits off of it. This is a first year hive. Actually, April 1st will be the exact 1 year that I started this hive. So I didn't pull anything off of it. Left them two boxes full of supplies, honey and pollen for the wintertime. So they should actually have plenty. This spring, I'm actually going to do my first split off of this hive. Big, healthy, strong colony. Screen board bottom. Somebody else asked me about the stand I built. I originally built this stand here to take the frames out as I'm inspecting. I can sit them in here one by one. It works great. However, I might do something a little bit different. I may end up putting another box of bees here. A lot of people give me grief about having the stand this tall and the height. I'm not having a problem with it. I do have some steps on the other side. I do have the legs. A couple people asked me about my moats around there with the coffee can moats and the oil in it. Got some stuff to do with that. But hive's doing great. The 20 degree weather. The screen board bottom, I'm fixing to show you in a minute. I'm going to take the camera and show you up underneath here. But I don't have a board in place for the winter time. I've left the entrance reducer in there. Like I said, two boxes slam full of frames with honey. So this is not a feeder box. This has 10 medium deep frames in it, 10 in here, mediums, all with their supplies from this year, plus the brood chamber. No queen excluder, nothing. And screen bottom only, no board in the bottom. They're doing just fine. They have no problems keeping themselves warm and clustering well. I've had no problems with humidity, been checking on that. Mainly, I really haven't been opening this box up. Letting the propolis all build up and keep this thing sealed. They're good at keeping it sealed and keep themselves warm. So right now I'm not doing anything really major. It's kind of boring right now. I'm not really getting to see a lot of action besides them flying in and out. So I'm gonna go up underneath here. I'm gonna show you underneath here with the camera. Then we'll walk you through at the projects, let you look inside the greenhouse and see how it's doing right now. It's doing really good. So I've got lots of stuff blooming in there. So we're gonna do a quick little walk around, let you see up underneath the screen box and show you inside the greenhouse. All right, let's get a little looky-loo at the whole box setup we have going on here. So this is the box. This is my little setup with my little moats around there. Got to keep it trimmed back a little bit, but that keeps the old ants from getting all up on my stand there and up in my box. And like I was telling y'all before, I just have a screen bottom, and this is where I have for the other frames to go in here. But like I said, I may put another box here this year, which is probably going to go down. And we got the little guys doing their thing here. Hi guys, look at all them slam full of doing their thing there. So got that going on, and now we're gonna look up underneath that. We go like this. Whoa! It's screen bottom, even through the winter, 20 degrees, doing just fine. You can see they're all up in there just gaggling happy. So that's the bottom. Like I said, that's how I'm gonna probably do this other one here. And then we can come up here, see the little guy's little footage landing there. All right, so that's that. That's how that's working out. Working out great. And right behind us where the magic happens, there's the water collection system we worked on before. Still got some work to do on that. Here's my fancy little camera setup. You're welcome. Giving you all the helpy who there. So then we have, let's go on in here. We're going in the greeny housey here. I'm going to give you all a little update what's happening here. We're going to go in the greenhouse. Look at tropical happiness in there. Oh, I just got a new baker's rack. Thank you, Sam. Love you. She hooked me up with the baker's rack. And I got the old fan blowing over there. Create some nice little airflow in here. Keep it flowing while it's a temperate, nice. Oh, my Lord. It's a nice 76 degrees, 67% humidity. Everything's doing. Look at this right here. So I want to show you real quick. Look at this bad boy right here. That Bromelia is doing happily over there. Got some old tomatoes. These are heirlooms. I'm wintering over for a friend of mine. Lemongrass starters. I'm doing some extra lemongrass catnip there. But look at here. Angel wing begonia. She is blooming and happy. Happy, happy, happy. She is just doing it. Bird of paradise split off. Now these, if y'all might remember a while back, I did a video and I got these banana plants. These are the blue java. Tastes like vanilla ice cream. Got those. They were about that big in the package from a company. They sent them over to me from California. They're doing great. Huge, huge, huge. There's another one over here. Matter of fact, we're fixing to repot them because they are getting root bound already. So we're fixing to get these bad boys. You can see they're already starting to come through the bottom there. But lemon tree back there in the back. Got some new growth on it. Aloe, hello. Some other stuff, and we're actually going to work on doing some of the passion fruit, or dragon fruit, I'm sorry. We're going to do some repotting of the dragon fruit, so I'm going to show you all how to do that. I've got some already dried over there to repot. I'll show you why you have to let them dry out for a little bit before you repot them. And we got the pitcher plant back there. Look, that's like a Venus flytrap type plant. So again, everything's doing good, nice and toasty in here, nice and happy. 1 full year tarp on, doing great. Still tight as a drum, so to speak. We'll go ahead and just tight. I'm talking beautifully, beautifully done. So that's how the greenhouse is doing. Everything's doing great in here. Fixing to do some repotting and get ready for some video on doing the dragon fruit repot, and got some shelves to put up, and we're going to start working on some microgreens, and we're also going to work on a hydroponics setup over on this side over here. So quick little update, what's going on at Casa de